A friend of mine told me about this recipe and I knew I had to make it immediately. So we're making it tonight. It is Half-Baked Harvest 10-minute gooey vanilla peach mug cake. We're melting a half tablespoon of butter. You can use fresh peaches. I'm using the jarred peaches. It will be okay, don't worry. It says about a half of a peach, but I may use a little bit more because these are on the smaller side. A tablespoon of brown sugar. Microwave, 30 seconds to a minute. Oh great, we need another bowl, hold on. We need another tablespoon of melted butter. Here's the thing, I do love Half-Baked Harvest recipes, but sometimes there's a lot of different steps and the instructions aren't always so clear. Yes, I know there's a ton of Reddit threads and there's all that stuff, but okay, we're not gonna go there today, we're just making a recipe. Another tablespoon of brown sugar, whisk, 1 egg, a little of this, if you know, you know, a 1/4 cup of flour, do this dog, 2 tablespoons of oats, a 1/4 baking powder, pinch of salt, stir. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty yellow, but I used a farm fresh egg from my neighbor, so that's probably why. Pour over the top of your melted peaches and brown sugar. Add your remaining peaches, a little more brown sugar. It says another tablespoon. I'm not going to use that much. Pinch of cinnamon. Microwave on full power for 1 minute and 45 seconds. I end up doing 2 minutes. This is what we're looking like. I think it would be better with ice cream, but